Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga to get rid of insomnia. Anxiety, stress, and depression are some of the most common causes of chronic insomnia. Your overall functioning is greatly affected by the quality of your sleep. So let's practice together to get a better sleep. Sit comfortably. Inhale and exhale. You may do this for 4 to 6 rounds. Let's do Anulom-Vilom. Close the right nose with the right thumb gently. Inhale deeply through the left nose. Close the left nose with the ring finger as you release the right nose. Exhale slowly through your right nose, keeping the left nose closed. Inhale deeply through your right nose. Close the right nose again with your thumb. Then release the left nose. Exhale through the left nose. Repeat the process 8 to 10 times, gradually increasing the number of repetitions after some practice. This helps you to clear your mind and help you get better sleep. Chandra-Bhedi Pranayama. Sit comfortably. Bring the right thumb to the right nostril. Inhale from left nose. Ring and little fingers to left. Index and middle finger folded. Exhale completely from the right. This is one cycle. Once more. You may repeat this for 8 to 10 cycles. You may increase this gradually. Let go of all of your thoughts. Observe how they come and go. This helps to clear your mind, calm down, and focus on your sleep. Let's be on a child's pose. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe deeply and exhale full. Rest and relax. This is really helpful to get you a good rest and helps in calming your mind. You may stay here for some time. Come back to the original position. Lie down on your back. Inhale, knees are folded. Exhale, place one hand on your belly and next hand on the side. Inhale, belly goes up and exhale to lower down. Do this for 8 to 10 rounds. You may increase the number of rounds. Appreciate yourself of all the positives and letting go of all negatives. Let go of all worries and emotions as they may get rid of your sleep. While laying on your back, inhale, catch your toes to bring them near your belly, and exhale, breathe normally. Try to pull it as much as possible. Hold onto this for few seconds. You may close your eyes, guide yourself to calm your mind. Observe your breath, how it comes in and goes away. Inhale, and exhale to release your hands and legs. Now for happy baby pose. Grab onto the inner or outer edges of your feet. Keep your hips grounded down. Stay in this pose for some time. Keep breathing. Also, you may add a little bit of movement by rocking side to side. Let go of your emotions and release the physical tensions. Thank you so much. I hope you will practice this before going to your bed. Comment below how it feels. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.